you like have an app or do you write it down into a notepad, all of your expenses?
Find whatever works for you. If I'm gonna share you my Excel spreadsheet,
Okay.
because that's how I do it.
So Excel din.
Sa Excel. So
pero
parang
tayo-
may work for some, but it may not work for everyone.
Okay.
As long as you're aware as to where your money goes, and just don't really rely on the statement of account at the end of the month. Kasi that's what I was doing before. Credit card, swipe here and there. Tapos at the end of the month, magugulat ako, hala, it's more than what I'm making.
We're back with Life and Wealth Coach MJ Ayoki, and for this video, we're gonna talk about
And
grow
the
your wealth,
psychology of money and the processes that you have to go through
Mm.
so that you're not going back to square one.
Step number 1, how do you build it?
Earning money. There are different and thousands or millions of ways to earn money. Follow your passion, follow your heart, and find a mentor that would help you and guide you throughout the process. Earning can be done actively and passively. And the next step is to manage that money. And don't be like me, wherein you'll just spend everything on gimmick, YOLO, travel, food, and the likes.
How will they know that this should be their target amount to earn per month? Baka they're earning 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. How will they know that their earning is enough?
We all have different lifestyles. We all have different goals. Like, if you don't know how to manage your money, then you won't be able to like really create that lifestyle. So it's not, even if you're earning 6 digits, it wouldn't make a difference if in the end, if you're not able to manage your money well. Like, it's important that you're earning, but how you're allocating your money is also important.
How
Don't
does
make the same mistakes I did.
How does MJ Ayoki sobrang yaman? How do you budget your money on a monthly basis? What's your style? What's your technique?
Idol
Hindi.
sa
Hindi. I have no choice. I have no fallback plan. I can never become an Instagram influencer kasi wala hindi ako papasa. So what's your technique? How do you do it?
create different streams of income
Okay.
so that, alam mo yun, meron kang fallback.
Okay.
I used to be employed. The mistake there is just relying on that income. But you can do other stuff also. Be creative around it.
Do you like have an app or do you write it down into a notepad, all of your expenses?
Find whatever
Okay.
works for you. If I'm gonna share you my Excel spreadsheet,
Okay.
because that's how I do it.
So Excel din.
Sa Excel. So
pero
parang
tayo-
may work for some, but it may not work for everyone.
Okay.
As long as you're aware as to where your money goes, and just don't really rely on the statement of account at the end of the month. Kasi that's what I was doing before. Credit card, swipe here and there. Tapos at the end of the month, magugulat ako, hala, it's more than what I'm making.
When you're talking about YOLO, no, siguro kung office mates tayo dati, ako yung boring na office mate kasi literally, pag may mga lunch out, I would just eat my baon in my cubicle before when everyone was doing those seat sales. Di ako sumasama, super. So, totoo.
Ako yung taga-book sa amin eh. So they have no choice as well.
So, ang lakas ng card limit. Yung ano mo, yung points mo sa cards nun.
Points nun yun.
Next tip on how you can be as rich as MJ Ayoki.
Protecting your money.
Okay.
Protect your money, protect your income, protect your asset, which is yourself. Very, very important. So that regardless of what's gonna happen to you or to the market, you're still safe. So there are different ways to protect your money. Creating an emergency fund, time deposit, getting insurance. Very, very important is that you protect it first before you grow your money. You'll never know what may happen. So important thing there, before you grow your money, protect it.
If I do that, what if ilagay ko sa food cart yan, tapos kumita yung food cart? Baka sayang yung opportunity to earn more. Or if I put this here, or lagay ko na sa loto yan, or lagay ko sa Bitcoin. Diba Filipinos like to find ways on how they can hit the
Yeah,
jackpot?
nothing wrong around it. I'd say go for it if that's
Talaga?
something that you love to do.
Whoa!
But I would highly suggest that you consult a financial planner or consult an expert around this so that you're able to create your business and at the same time create ways to protect yourself.
Okay.
Because you don't want to put everything in one basket, especially if you're putting so much on a high risk investment. You want to make sure that you're still safe. In the realm of possibilities nga, diba? If you can enjoy both worlds where you can create a business around something, but also being safe, why not? The lesson here is that it doesn't really take much naman to protect yourself and to protect your money.
After knowing how to protect yourself from risks that could possibly come, Next tip.
It's the growth. Growing your money.
And this is what people want most of the time, but they skip here
The
very, very fast.
protection, yeah.
Okay, go.
If you have the time and energy to actually study, you know, the different ways to grow your money, like namin yan, mutual funds, stocks, hit up Marvin Germo.
No, no, this is all about you. I'm okay. Yeah. But thank you for the recommendation. Okay.
But if you don't have the time and energy to do that, there are different ways as well. So you have VUL or variable unit linked product, real estate products, anything to grow your money, anything to make your money work for you. So that is growth. And I guess the last step would be to distribute it. I'm very much into tithing. Are you familiar with tithing? So just really giving back to the community and also distributing your wealth, creating a legacy around your wealth. If you really want to go deep down that road, it's a very complex thing. So there will be lawyers and accountants involved. So kaya yun na yung pinaka-last.
What's your ambition? Do you have a target that I want to get this amount as well?
Yeah.
And then second, in connection to that also, why are you doing all of that? What's your main goal? Why do you want to get that target?
I'm not really attached to the amount, but if we are to like really put an amount to that, my goal really is to earn 5 million a month.
Okay.
So
wow.
for you, baka barya lang yan
I
kay
can
Marvin.
neither
Barya
confirm
lang
nor
yan kay
deny.
Marvin.
I can neither confirm nor deny that
Barya lang yan
statement.
sa kanya. So siya talaga yung pinaka-goal ko.
No. Wala akong fallback plan eh. Wala akong... Oh, so, okay. So that's your... Tapos, when you get that, what would you do? What's your plan?
But
What's your-
really, I guess it's not really, as I said, no, I'm not really attached to that. If it happens, it happens. That's great. I guess it's really more about me transforming people, helping them create this lifestyle that they want, creating that abundance mindset na everyone's free, everyone's abundant, and reaching that self-actualization part already because it all starts from you. And to make that change, and because I really want to change the world and create that kind of mindset and just live in a world where everyone's helpful, everyone's transforming each other into becoming positive and happy. It sounds cheesy, but at the end of the day, that's all that we want. We want that kind of peace of mind wherein we feel whole, we feel fulfilled, and it's not really just about the money. And that's where I come in as a life coach because a lot of people think like if you have a lot of money, then you'll be happy. But at the end of the day, like what do you really want to get out of from this life? I want to make sure that you're succeeding not just financially, but also in terms of health, spiritual, your creative expression, so that you'll feel whole and also enjoy the process while you're also building your wealth.
Galing. So that's the end of all of the vlogs that I'll make. Ito na lang panoorin yung video. Okay na kayo. If you want the secrets on how you can get rich, just follow MJ Ayoki's steps as well on how you can do it. Oh, galing. It's a breath of fresh air na rin kasi we meet a lot of people also. For some people, it's always about the numbers. It's always about how can I expand this? How can I grow? Or ito yung napagdaanan ko for you. It's always about enjoying life and living it to the full. So that's it. I'll put the link below for those who want to meet her and do consulting and coaching with her as well, and for those who want to not just grow in terms of how your money will get bigger, but also to make it holistic. Kasi for me, prosperity is not just about money.
Yeah.
It's everything. Kasi anin mo yung pera kung malungkot ka, anin mo yung pera kung sira yung pamilya mo,
Yeah.
anin mo yung pera if your health is not there as well.
Yeah.
So
And if you're not really having fun, para saan pa?
somehow, no, I hope that this connects to some of you, or most of you, or all of you. This is Marvin Germo with MJ Ayoki. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. Bye-bye.